Food critic Jimi Famurewa is back on our screens with Jamie Oliver's new cooking series The Great Cookbook Challenge on Channel 4. Having appeared as a judge on Masterchef in 2019 after once being a contestant, we take a deeper look at who this food expert is. 2. Meet Jimi FamurewaCredit, Getty. Who is Jimi Famurewa? Jimi is a British-Nigerian freelance writer, editor, podcaster, and occasional TV personality. He was born in London to Nigerian immigrants. He studied at the University of London's Royal Holloway from 2002 to 2005. In 2018, he was appointed as the chief restaurant critic for the Evening Standard. Before this, he was working freelance as a writer for The Guardian, Q, Empire and Time Out. He also co-hosts Waitrose's Life on a Plate podcast and has interviewed high-profile public figures including Leonardo DiCaprio, Matt Damon, Liam Gallagher, Nigella Lawson, and John Boyega. His career has seen highlights including nominations for BSME Rising Star Awards and the Fourth Estate BAME Short Story Prize back in 2017 for his story, Teddy Bird. Jimi has over 10.5 thousand followers on Instagram where you can see his work updates and mouth-watering foodie snaps. Find him on Instagram at JimFamished. Also be sure to follow him on Twitter at JimFam. 2. Jimi is appearing on Jamie Oliver's Great Cookbook Challenge credit, Rex. Is Jimi Famurewa married and does he have children? Famurewa lives in southeast London with a wife and 3 children. His wife, Leanne Famurewa, is from Nottingham in the East Midlands. According to Wiki, as of now, she is a full-time homemaker. The couple dated for several years before they got engaged in December 2014. The pair then walked down the aisle after 2 years of engagement on August 29, 2016. Before tying the knot, the duo had already become the parents of 2 children. In 2018, they again welcomed their 3rd baby boy. What TV shows has Jimi been in? After appearing as a contestant Masterchef 2005, Jimi has gone on to appear on Celebrity Masterchef 2006 and Step Up to the Plater 2019. On his Masterchef UK journey, Jimi was praised by the judges as top critics alongside Ruth Handsome. He reached the first semi-final round of the top culinary competition, but unfortunately struggled with the high-tension challenge and did not manage to reach the final round.